Hey guys, Marlon from Impress Computers, and today we have another unboxing video for you guys. This is the Logitech Z313 with 50 watt. It's a kind of a small 2.1 system, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright guys, so now we got the nice blue box from Logitech. It's a very nice design actually. It'll show what it's actually inside. You got the controller, the subwoofer, and both speakers. It's a 50 watt. It's not really powerful, but hey, it'll get you a very good quality sound. You got the nice speaker image there, and these are some of the specs and the stuff that you can do. It will have a software that you can adjust, like the equalizer and that type of thing. They're telling you right here this will work for your TV, for your laptop, your iPad, or your phone, and some other technical specifications. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and open it up. So you got one sticker here, open it up, and first thing we got is the manuals, just basic stuff and safety. So we put that on the side. You also get like a step-by-step if you want to do a headset or subwoofer, how to connect it and everything. So if we open it up, we actually have the cables for the subwoofer and the speakers here on the side. So it looks like we have one speaker right here, and the second speaker. Here we go. A very nice wrap. Everything's steady up inside. You got the 3.5mm if you're gonna use it for your phone, and this is the actual controller right here. So you can turn it on and off. You have your volume knob right here on the side, and there's also the connection for plugging into the subwoofer. This is the power for the subwoofer, and this is very nice. Not a lot of people have this, but it's actually got handles, so you can easily take the subwoofer out instead of banging the box and trying to get it out. So wrap is done, and here we go. So there you go. You got your subwoofer. On the other side, you're gonna have your specs and the jack for the speaker right here, that they will talk to each other. Now, a lot of people will put this underneath their desks. If you put it in the corner, the subwoofer will react better, and you're gonna have a better feeling in the way that it sounds. So if you guys like a nice set of speakers with a small subwoofer, this will do. They have more high-end models, but this is what we're unboxing today. So we'll be doing some tests and see if we like it, maybe use it here in the shop. But if you guys have any questions on this video or the actual equipment, you can leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.